Representative, thank you for being here this morning. We are representing the Cebu Organizing Committee. The Cebu Organizing Committee, we are augmenting and we are supporting the National Organizing Committee. So in the past weeks or maybe month, we have been holding meetings, no? So wala lang namo na present sa media. So now I think it's high time that you know that we have been working hard for the upcoming ASEAN here in Cebu City, and this is going to be in May 7 and 8. No, it used to be how many days? Longer, but now it's mostly it's only 7 and 8, and it's going to be in most of the events. Maybe all of the events will be in Lapu-Lapu. Yeah, Shangri-La, Mactan Expo, and also another Shangri-La, Mactan Expo, Mercure Hotel, that area there. So as far as the security is concerned, 80% complete now with enhanced measures, emergency response systems, and hospital code blue readiness in place. No? So it's safe to say that we are in Cebu, we are ready, but this is a national event also. No? So we're just supporting and augmenting the preparations that they're doing. But as far as Cebu is concerned, Mandaue is concerned, Cebu City is concerned, as what Mayor Nestor said earlier, we are ready. Now, let's keep Cebu clean in the duration, and of course after ASEAN as well, no? Because it's good for the environment. And this is a momentous event. Cebu being featured of all the 82 provinces, no? Kitay na pilian. So that alone would inspire us na we will do our best, and let's be hospitable to our guests. Kung na ay mga delegates, no? At least give them a smile, give them the warmest Cebuano welcome. No, so ato sa mapakita sa tibuok kalibutan na og sa tibuok ASEAN na ang Cebuanos buutan, hospitable, and we are clean as well. Thank you.